It's hard to be a YouTuber.
I need to be here to catch you.
Okay. Oh. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go. The boy's got nothing. Damn it. I'm an Eagle Scout. Good. Go. We'll catch you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're hiking into a wadi here by the Dead Sea in Jordan. So these wadis, basically a wadi is like, it's like a canyon that has a waterfall at the end in a very basic sense of it. So this wadi, for example, the Dead Sea is over beyond this building, but then the canyon wall starts up here. So it starts way back there. It's like a waterfall from the highlands that slowly makes its way all the way down and trickles into the Dead Sea. Usually they're made of fresh water, but by the time it reaches the Dead Sea, then it's going to turn into salt water. And because it's just sitting in the sun, and the Dead Sea is about 10 times the salinity of the ocean. I thought it was 4, but I was wrong. It's actually 10. Anyway, so hiking up into these wadis is usually one of my favorite experiences to do in all of this entire area for both Israel and Jordan. Because it's especially, you know, so when you think of these countries, they're very hot. They are desert countries. Especially now, it's the summertime here, and so as we're hiking in, it's going to be a pretty hot hike. But then the best part about these wadis is that there's going to be all these pools of water. They're usually kind of fresh water. Sometimes they're stagnant pools. You got to pick the right ones. But they're freezing cold, which is a really, really welcome thing, especially when you're hiking through a place that's super, super hot. And it's kind of like an oasis. So as we get in, you'll see that there's all kinds of palm trees and all kinds of bushes. There's not usually much wildlife that you need to be concerned about. So they're usually pretty safe. They're really fun hikes. So this wadi that we're going into, this is Wadi Al-Mujib, I think. So this one's going to take about 3 hours to go in, but they're telling us it's just finishing up the rainy season. They just opened this 2 days ago because of the concerns of flash floods and everything. So it's going to be a nice wet hike going in. So in Israel, if you want to hike into wadis, you can just pull off on the side of the road. It just has a sign like, hey, enter here. That's totally fine. You can go in. Here it's 21 Jordanian dinars. So that's like 27 bucks, 28 bucks. But you also get, you're required to take a life vest just because of the rainy season. But yeah, it should be really good. Okay, so Shubham's packing up his bag, putting some stuff in a waterproof bag, and we should be good to go. As always, Shubham is taking forever.
Yeah, he's like a girl.
Forever. We told him, okay, let's go. We're ready to go. And then he opened up a whole can of energy drink and just started standing there drinking it. And then, okay, it's time to go. Oh, I have to go get something from the car.
Impossible to handle.
If there's anything that bothers me, it's just...
It's our mutual grief.
Everybody agrees. Shubham has spent so much time in a world that's fast that he's obnoxiously slow now. Okay, is he good now?
Look,
you know,
he need a parent, you know.
I can't forget to mention that he doesn't know how to swim. Are you ready to go now? Ready to go now?
Wait. Oh, please.
Are you sure you don't want to go to the bathroom one more time?
Oh, let's go. The bathroom. You're just kidding me. Oh. I'm gonna beat you one day.
Okay.
I'll beat you, okay?
All right, happy smiles. Let's go.
So beautiful.
You know, just realizing, Anna, this is your first time seeing this.
Yeah.
Nice. Indiana Jones, baby.
Yay! Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Go straight into the water.
Let's go, babies.
How deep is the water? Yeah, of course it's cold. Steve, you want to just jump? No. Here we're going for like a proper swim. It's getting pretty deep. It's just about deep enough to swim. There's all these kinds of ropes that we have to hold on to pull ourselves through. Woohoo! It's hard to be a YouTuber. the waterfalls are loud, so I don't know if you can hear me, but
Do you think that anybody will be able to hear you?
maybe it's just the beginning of the waterfalls. I always have a general principle that if the road gets bad at the beginning, it never gets better at the end. So I guess we'll see if it's true. We can swim, so we're okay. Yeah, we are cool. And look at the swim. Oh, no, you go. You go. I need to be here to catch you. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go. At first when we thought about coming here, we thought about coming by ourselves. But it turns out it's a brilliant idea not to come by yourself here. I'm an Eagle Scout. We reached the end of the Wadi. Makes it all worth it. That is a true Wadi experience. We'll get you. He'll help you. He'll help you. Not sure what kind of technique you're doing here, but all it takes. All right, we've reached the end of the Wadi. This is good. She was gonna get sucked under a rock, but it's what friends are for. Yeah. Anna, how was your first experience in a Wadi?
I like this phrase when you told me, welcome to our life. Jump, jump, go, go, go.
Gonna get rocks in his ass. No, he's scraping the ground.
I need more. Yellow again.
Tell me to push you. Tell me to push you. I don't think pushing is gonna help. You're just getting rocks in your ass.
Okay, you can go from here.
I've run aground. I've run aground. You good? Okay.
Wait, I can go.
We've reached the end of the Dead Sea over there. Any last words?
I want to repeat it.
Never repeat it? Never repeat this?
Yeah, I want to repeat it.
Oh, you want to? You want to repeat it?
Yeah.
I didn't say never.
No.
It's a very good experience. To come to Jordan, go to the Wadis. For real. To go to Israel, go to the Wadis.
You know?
All the adventure.
You know, the thing is that, like, when you told me let's go to Jordan, like, I was not expecting anything from this country, like something special, you know? When you're not expecting anything from the country, and then you get this kind of experience,
You love it.
like, you love it, yeah, much more than if you expect something.
It's exactly how I feel for so many countries.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's totally true. Okay.
Oh,
We're
one
gonna
more
float
time.
away. We're gonna float away down to the Dead Sea. Okay. See you guys later.
Keep going.
Acha, acha, acha. Jimmy, Jimmy, Jimmy. Acha, acha, acha.